Unlock instant access and boost engagement by mastering Beehiiv's magic link feature. Ever wished your subscribers could jump straight into your content or your exclusive community without a second thought about passwords? Beehiiv's magic link makes it a reality. This powerful feature provides a single sign-on experience, drastically reducing friction and keeping your audience hooked. Let's dive into how you can implement this game changer. First, head over to your Beehiiv dashboard, navigate to the email section, and click on New Email to start crafting your broadcast. Now, within the email editor, you'll find the magic link button. Hovering over it will give you a quick explanation of its purpose: a circumflex euros, to offer a seamless login experience for your subscribers. You can choose to insert this magic link as a prominent button or a simple hyperlink within your email body for maximum impact. A clear button is often the best approach. Think of it as a direct gateway to your valuable content. Once your email is ready, you'll send it out. When a subscriber clicks this magic link, they'll be logged into their Beehiiv account automatically, without needing to enter their username or password. It's that simple. This seamless entry is perfect for directing subscribers to exclusive articles, premium content, or even your thriving online community. By removing the password barrier, you create a frictionless path to engagement. Imagine the boost in engagement when your subscribers can instantly dive into what you offer. The magic link also means fewer support requests related to forgotten passwords, freeing you up to focus on creating amazing content. Implementing Beehiiv's magic link is a powerful strategy to enhance your subscriber experience and drive deeper engagement. Embrace this feature and watch your community flourish. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Beehiiv tips.